Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another Spark 143 to unbox, and it's the 2002 ORECA Dallara SP1. In 2002, ORECA returned to the top class of Le Mans with another Dallara SP1, but this time it was a sole privateer effort. After Chrysler's fourth place finish last year, they did not return for 2002. Team ORECA entered 2 cars for the race, as well as a privateer Viper gts-r. Many had high hopes that they would see a first-time podium for the team, as both cars qualified 4th and 7th respectively. As usual, the top class was stacked with entries from Audi, Bentley, Cadillac, Courage, Dome, MG, Paynos, and many others. Thankfully, the weather was nothing like last year's, as the start of the race saw a great fight between the ORECA Dallara and the MG Lola. One of the ORECAs nearly misses a crash from one of the Ascaris heading into Indianapolis corner. Both cars are doing well, but cannot match the pace of the Audis, as one of the cars puts the Team ORECA down a lap. A short while later, the number 16 car almost gets into a collision with the number 58 ProDrive Ferrari and another LMP car. At dusk, the number 14 Dallara is sitting in 6th place behind the Audis and the MG Lola. The Audis were really in another class of their own, and the fight with the MG was still going strong. The battle raged all through the night with the MG, on track and in the pits. But drama would unfold during the night as the number 30 MG Lola catches fire on the Mulsanne straight. The driver is okay, but the car is forced to retire. The woes continue for MG, as shortly after the number 26 4th place car that was battling with the ORECA Dallara pulls off track with gearbox issues. Another retirement for MG. The Viper gts-r that ORECA is also running comes into the pits for a routine stop. This car currently sits 3rd behind the 2 factory vets. With MG out, the battle switched to Cadillac and raged until sunrise when the number 6 Cadillac has a minor off, but is forced to come into the pits for inspection. Shortly after, the number 6 is back in for a stop and suddenly catches fire. The drama would continue as it left the pits and crashed coming out of Tete Rouge. The number 15 ORECA Dallara comes in for its final stop and is sitting 5th after the Cadillac problems. By the end of the race, it's a 1-2-3 for Audi. Bentley is 4th, and both ORECA Dallara cars round out the top 6. And here is the 5th place, number 15 ORECA Dallara car. It's in a silver box, so you can tell that it's kind of an older release. The sides are open, and we can carefully slide it out. And this is one of my all-time favorite liveries. When they unveiled this car along with the Viper, a simple but striking livery, a dark blue car with light blue stripes and white and red accents. The PlayStation 2 title sponsor really complements and completes the livery. It's subtle but very eye-catching. I love the PlayStation controllers on the back of the rear wheels, and it's just a gorgeous car. Spark did an amazing job on it. The dark blue is super shiny and it just pops on this gray base plate. It's incredible from any angle. The drivers on the car were Olivier Beretta, Pedro Lamy, and Eric Comas. These would be the last cars that would run under the Team ORECA banner. Hugh de Schonack would eventually go to Audi as a privateer team and then on to Toyota. But these cars are so cool, and this is the 3rd one in my collection. So here it is, the 2002 number 15 ORECA Dallara SP1 that finished 5th overall at the 2002 24 Hours of Le Mans. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. Got a couple more cars to unbox, and I'm doing a video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.